welcome to Exquisite Glam. I'm going to give you guys a new tutorial. So this tutorial, I'm going to call this either Piscean, Siren, something along the lines of mermaid, because that's what it was giving when I finished. So to achieve this look, I used two separate palettes, both from Uvia's Place. One palette was called Mint, the other one was called Honey, and they're both the mini palettes. I used four separate shades. One was like a sea foam green. The other one was like, I want to say, probably like a sky blue, but it actually came out like a pastel. And for the third color, I used this like golden yellow. And at the ends, I used this kind of blood orange brown to tie it in. Now, I'm not even gonna hold you guys. Up until this point, I was over it. Like, I was ready to just give up. This is definitely not a process that you should be trusting, but I just kept it pushing because I said, you know what, just keep going. It might come out the way that I wanted to in the end, which it did, but I really hated this combination. I don't know what I was thinking putting these colors together, but I made it work. Child, I was over it at this point. Like, I was ready to give up. You hear me? Period. Now, this next shade I'm about to use, I actually got this kind of cream eyeshadow. I actually got it off of TikTok. Um, it's like almost flakes, iridescent flakes that's in this type of solution, but it's wet and it's creamy. Pores. But it's a nice shadow. It's a nice blend. I'm definitely going to try it again on a different kind of look. But it did tie in that mermaidy, scaly kind of look. And I loved it. Once I did this, I fell in love with how I did this eye look. I really didn't like it in the beginning. Like I said, it was a process that I wasn't trying to trust. But it came out good in the end. Once the lashes applied, we mist up, we let the hair down, and we give you guys the final look. And I want to say thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.